Hi folks, today is July the 30th and we have the US Advance GDP coming out at 8:30. We're going to go ahead and open this up here and we'll take a look at the HIRA. Alright, set this to true. Stop loss is going to be 10 ticks. And we'll set the entry time to 8:29:57. Alright, the first tier is going to be 10. Second tier is going to be 18. That should be everything we need to change. Let me double check here real quick. Alright, now we can just click apply and OK. You can drop that to the bottom. We're done with that. And this is the HIRA right here. It gives us all the information we need on the trade itself. And now we basically just have to wait. So we have about 3 minutes until the release comes, so I will be back with you guys then. Alright, we're less than a minute now. We have about 30 seconds until the release. And you can also use Forex News Gun to get this to get the numbers a lot quicker than what I'm doing right now with Forex Factory. And if I was thinking, I would have set up Forex News Gun myself. Alright, a couple seconds to go.
Order pending. Order pending.
Alright, we're now filled on that trade. We can go ahead and okay, so if we're going to get filled, I'd like for it to happen right around here. Actually,
Order cancelled.
I'm going to go ahead and cancel that one. I usually like to see a nice spike and then a quick reversal, but this is taking its sweet time with the reversal. Let me see what the numbers were. Alright, forecast was 3.1, actual was 4.0.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order pending.
Alright, this was a nice little move here, so I'm expecting some pullback. And we basically just have to wait for it. The ZB is one of those instruments that has a pretty high tick value. It's actually 31.25, so that's $31 for every tick. So it's a very high tick value instrument, which can obviously be a good thing. It can also be a bad thing as well, depending on the situation. what I'd like to see is we can go ahead and get a quick spike up here, because I have no doubt in my mind that the market's going to do a retracement and then most likely continue going in the direction that it was planning on going, which is short. So before that happens, I'd like for us to go ahead and get our profit here. And at this point, like I said, because we didn't get a quick spike down and then a immediate push back up, I'm not going to hold this for too long, because I do expect to continue pushing down. Alright, I'm going to pause it, and I will be back once one of our orders is hit. Alright folks, all the market has to do is go through
Order filled.
order, and there it is. This is one of those trades, like I said, I could have left my order a little higher here, but I didn't want to take the chance on this particular trade that it wasn't going to just come up a little and continue pushing down, which I still believe is what's going to happen. But we were able to take a small profit. Let me see how high that spike was. Alright, so that was only 2 ticks. Let me go ahead and cancel that second order out here, my stop.
Order canceled.
Alright. So with that being done, I will go ahead and close this trade out, and I will see you guys on the next trade. Thank you.